Welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a tutorial, and the purpose of this tutorial is just to show you how to make your cell adjust in case you are typing a long text like this. So you don't need to have to expand your cells every time like that. I'm going to show you a better way which you can be able to make sure that you don't have to waste your time adjusting your cells like that. So let me start off. Just move to worksheet down here. You have to right click, then move direct to view code. It is somewhere here. Just click right away. It will open up this window. Now from here you have to select from this button, drop down button here. Then what you need to do is you have to go to worksheet. So you're going to select worksheet. Then from here you have to type the following codes. So we're going to type cells dot entire column dot Autofit. Now this is what exactly you need to type. This is the code you need to enter. Then from there you make sure you close this window and also close the other window like that. So we are done. Now let's check if this will make sure that our cells adjust whenever we type maybe a long data or a long information in a particular cell. So let me type Kenya is in Africa, for example. So sorry, in Africa. So whenever I just have to press this tab here, it adjusts automatically like that. Let's enter another data and we see. Let me type, for example, my name like that. So whenever I move the cell pointer to the next cell, it adjusts like that. So you don't have to worry adjusting your cells every time. But if you enter this code here, it will enable you to make sure that your cells adjust automatically like that. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing.